Hi, welcome viewers. Welcome to the Basic Tamil Learning Part 1. In this video, we're gonna talk about some basic Tamil conversation for the beginners, especially when you come to the South India. You'll hear the people talking in Tamil. If you want to talk with them in Tamil, this video will be very useful for you, for the beginners. So let's start this video with the first introduction, with the basic introduction. So now get into the video. Welcome to the Basic Tamil Learners for the beginners. So let's start this video for the basic Tamil conversations. So let's start this video from the basic introduction. If you have to introduce yourself to the others, you have to say Vanakkam. So this Vanakkam represents, we have to say welcome, good morning, hi and hello. Instead of saying welcome, good morning, hi and hello, you can say Vanakkam. This represents all of these falling under this. Unga peru என்ன? Instead of saying what's your name, if you have to ask their name, you can ask them unga peru என்ன? So you have to respond என்னோட பேரு Jack. If your name is Jack, assume if your name is Jack and you have to respond your name is Jack, then you have to respond like என்னோட பேரு Jack. That means my name is Jack in Tamil. You can also practice along with this. Unga peru என்ன? The meaning of unga peru என்ன is what's your name? And you have to respond like என்னோட பேரு Jack. My name is Jack. So let's move to some basic conversations between the two persons like Ram and Ajay. Ram. வணக்கம். வணக்கம். உங்க பேரு என்ன? என்னோட பேரு ராம். உங்க பேரு என்ன? என்னோட பேரு அஜய். நீங்க என்ன வேலை பார்க்கறீங்க? நான் டாக்டர். நீங்க? நான் இன்ஜினியர். உங்களை சந்திச்சதுல சந்தோஷம். உங்களை சந்திச்சதுல எனக்கும் சந்தோஷம். So these are the basic Tamil conversations. It will be very useful for you. So let's start with the asking their name. Unga peru என்ன? If you have to ask someone their name, you can ask like Unga peru என்ன? That comes like with your name what? So your name what? It comes like this. So it finally ends up with what's your name? So you can also pronounce along with this. Unga peru என்ன? Your name what? So this unga represents your and peru represents name and yana represents what, and finally it ends up with what's your name. You can also pronounce along with this. Unga peru yana. Your name what? What's your name? Unga peru yana. Your name what? What's your name? Unga peru என்ன? Your name what? What's your name? Unga represents your, peru represents name, and என்ன represents what. Unga peru என்ன? What's your name? So this unga represents the English word your. By the same way, the நீங்க represents you. So there's a difference between using these two words. So you have to be careful when using these two words. This unga represents your and நீங்க represents you. Unga, your, நீங்க, you. Unga, your, நீங்க, you. Unga, your, நீங்க, you. So let's get into some basic conversations. The unga peru என்ன represents what's your name. By the same way, நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? That represents how are you. So there's a difference between using these two words called unga and நீங்க. Unga represents your and நீங்க represents you. So if you want to ask someone how are they are doing and how are you, you can ask them Ninga Yapadi Irikinga. So this Ninga represents you. Yapadi represents how. And Irikinga represents these two words combined together form Irikinga. Yapadi Irikinga represents how are. Ninga represents you. So the Wunga and Wungaloda represents the same word called yours. Instead of saying Wunga, you can also use the words Wungaloda. So both of them represents the same meaning called yours. For example, you can ask them Wunga Peri Yena. By the same way, you can ask them Ungaloda Peri Yena. Unga Peri Yena. Ungaloda Peri Yena. Unga Peri Yena. உங்களோட பேரு என்ன? உங்க பேரு என்ன? உங்களோட பேரு என்ன? உங்க பேரு என்ன? உங்களோட பேரு என்ன? So instead of saying unga, you can also use the word ungaloda by combining the three letters called LODA. So both of them represents the same meaning called yours. Come on, let's get into the next one. If someone asks your name called Ungaloda Peru Yena in Tamil, well, ask him if your name is Ram, and you have to respond them like Yenoda Peru Ram. That represents my name is Ram. Ungaloda Peru Yena, that's a question, and Yenoda Peru Ram. That's the response, the answer for this question. So this Ungaloda Peru Yena represents what's your name, and Yenoda Peru Ram represents the answer for this question. My name is Ram. Yenoda represents my, and this Peru represents name, and this Ram represents the person's name. And by the same way, Wungaloda represents, as I mentioned in the previous section, your, and Peru represents name, and this Yena represents what's. So you, name, what. Finally, it ends up with what's your name. And you have to respond like Yenoda Peru Ram. Yenoda, my. Peru, name. And Ram represents the name of the person, Ram. Yenoda Peru Ram. My name is 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 Ram. Good job.